Raindrop's journey. Once upon a time, in the sky, a little raindrop named Rainy lived in a big cloud. One day, Rainy and its cloud friends got heavy with water. They fell from the sky. Rainy fell down. Wind pushed it. Rainy landed on the ground and joined other raindrops. Rainy went into the soil. It helped plants. Rainy flowed in rivers. It went into the ground too. Rainy waded in the ground. People drank it from wells. Rainy learned that water is important. It helps life on Earth. And so, Rainy's journey showed that water is precious.